I'm Kimberly Morrow. I'm a licensed clinical social worker. The reason I'm speaking to you through this video is because I share a common vision with the Anxiety Disorders Association of America, a passion for educating emerging professionals towards the goal of understanding and treating anxiety disorders. Do you know what makes you an instant expert on anxiety? It's the fact that everyone gets nervous. Everyone has fears, and everyone experiences anxiety at different times in their lives. That is anxiety. But what happens when anxiety takes over a person's life? Or, as the DSM says, it causes significant impairment in functioning. You now have an anxiety disorder. In the next few minutes, you're going to see a film about one person's paralyzing struggle with anxiety and how a competent professional helped to change her life.
And it just began to develop into that need to control my environment completely. If I don't do these things that are going to calm me down, then I'm responsible for the 5 people in my family, including myself. My name is Andrea, and I suffer from obsessive-compulsive disorder. I started developing symptoms of anxiety when I was about 9 years old. I remember getting ready in the morning in the classroom, putting your clothes in your little locker and getting to your desk, and the secretary from the principal's office spoke over the loudspeaker, and she said, Andrea needs to come down to the office. She's going to be gone for the day. So because I was an anxious child, I immediately thought I was in trouble for something that I didn't remember doing. So my heart was just racing going down the stairs. And when I finally got to the principal's office, I saw my mom and my dad, and they said that my grandfather had died and that we needed to go home. And it was kind of a shocking moment. Obviously, I couldn't really process it at the time, but as the days continued, life sort of went on, but what stuck with me was that you could just die, and you could be young and die. When I came back to school, I became really anxious that the loudspeaker was going to call my name again and that somebody else was going to die. Like, just constant worry and constant trying to make sure that people didn't die. So I began doing rituals so that the loudspeaker wouldn't call my name. I thought I could control that.